So this is not a diss video on Dr. Beasley's Z1 Nano Surface Primer. I love this stuff. But when I bought it a couple weeks ago, I bought it because of some videos by Chris Rakana from Dr. Beasley's. It's like all the other NSP products that they have, the 45, the 90, and the 150, or whatever their numbers are, 45, 95, and 150, I think. They show a gel-like consistency whenever they pop out, as you can see in the video that I'm showing right here. Well, I bought my NSP Z1 expecting the same thing. I was going to polish parts of my car just to see if I like it or not, and then put a coating topping on top of it. Well, as you watch this video, you can see where he's putting in his little splotch of stuff. Let me see if I can show this. You hear that? I don't know if you can hear that, but if you hear that, that is my liquid. This is what it looks like when I look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This is what happens. The first time I got it, I poured it out. That's what mine looks like. Mine is not the same thing. And then he goes, and then if you just pour it over, it'll plop off. Yeah, mine plops off, but mine is a liquid. So this is what mine looks like. This is what theirs looks like. So I said, hey, I emailed them. I said, hey, I think I have a bad batch. My stuff is more liquid than it is a gel. And so I was like, is there anything you guys can do about it? They said, sure. That's what they do. They sent me another bottle. I was like, awesome, cool, cool. And then I got my bottle, and the first thing I did was shake it up. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it sounds exactly like the first one, and I didn't want to be that guy. So I was like, you know what? They're in Chicago. I'm about 4 hours south of Chicago. I'm going to take a day off of work because they're only open Monday through Friday. They're closed on the weekends. My day's off for the weekend. So I was like, well, it looks like I got to take a day off, which I did. Took a day off, drove up there, and then I said, hey guys, I'm kind of disappointed. I said, I got this batch of Z1, and you guys sent me another batch of Z1, which I really, really appreciate. And they said, all right, we know, we kind of messed up there. We did have a bad batch, and Jim Lefebvre, the chemist, the head person from Dr. Beasley's, reformulated the stuff because they realized they had a really bad batch that was all liquid. He goes, I'll tell you what, this is what we're going to do. We're going to make good on our thing, and we're going to give you another one. Listen to this one. Probably couldn't hear it at all because there's nothing wrong with it because I'm pretty sure that one's the gel. Not only did they give me one, this is my original one I bought. My replacement, what they gave me, and another. I am not dissing Dr. Beasley's in the least. This company stands behind their products, and I highly recommend what they do. I'm still using the Z1 here. The reason I don't like it is just because of it is a liquid, and it slings on a car. Well, my car is black. I can do the side of my car, and using rotary mode, this stuff is going to sling onto the roof. So that's the reason I wanted to buy the gel, so it didn't sling onto my roof. But as you can see, it is not a gel, not what I got. When I try these new ones, I'll point it out again, but as you've seen in the beginning of the video, it is going to be a gel. Well, quick little video on NSP Z1 from Dr. Beasley's and how they stand behind their product. I bought this one. I was given this one. These were both messed up. They gave me two more. This company's fantastic. People, if you like, products that they stand behind their own product, a company that stands behind their own product, this is the one.